Hi guys, it's Nicole and welcome back to our channel. Today I just got in my FabFitFun box for fall, so I'm going to do an unboxing haul for you. If you like videos like this and are new to our channel, we'd really appreciate it if you subscribe down below. And without further ado, let's get started. What the fall FabFitFun box is going to look like on the outside packaging. This time around I got a small FabFitFun box. So a few months ago FabFitFun emailed all their customers saying they were going to be changing the sizes of the boxes depending on what you got in the box. So this time I know the pre-selected items that I chose, if I got them, a lot of them were smaller items, which I'm totally fine with. I think one of the pre-picked items was a canister set and I didn't pick that. So if I would have picked that one, I probably would have got the bigger box, but because I didn't, mine came in this small box. And they always come decorated really cute. This one has a lot of fall foliage on it. It has some pumpkins, if you can see that, gourds, different leaves. They all come really cute. I just put some blue paper over my personal information, but yeah, they're always decorated super cute. So I haven't opened up my box yet. Again, I do know some of the presets that I picked. However, you're not guaranteed to get any of those items. So I have my scissors and I'm gonna cut this open real quick and open it with you guys and see what I got. I'm gonna hold this up. So let's open it and see what I got. So here's the inside of the box. So it's yellow, it's really cute. There's some extra packaging down in there. So here's some of the packaging, we'll get rid of that. It always comes with a little article that you can read. It's going to tell you inside here about a lot of the products in your box. Normally I choose a lot of the beauty products for in my box. There's a lot of skincare and hair care products, but I've had this subscription for over a year now, and since I'm not going to the office, I've noticed that I've slowed down on using a lot of those products, but I've gotten a lot of great products over the past year, but I'm just starting a collection of them. So this time I did try to pick more actual items, but each person has their own preference, and that's what's really nice about the subscription, that it really lets you pick some of the things that you want and are tailored to your lifestyle. So let's see what else we have here. We have a HelloFresh coupon. You pretty much get one of these in each of your boxes, so that's really nice. We have a Gather the Good $15 off coupon, so to give someone else for their first FabFitFun box. And we have a personalized wine matched to your taste, a credit for that as well, and I think I've gotten these in some of my boxes before too. So the first item I'm seeing, oh, I remember this. This was one of the items that I actually picked out. It comes pre-wrapped in this little plastic bag, but it is a little backpack. So I had a little canvas backpack that I actually picked out in one of my other FabFitFun boxes, and I've been using that a lot this summer. When we go places, it's just nice to have both of your hands free and put all your stuff in a little mini backpack. So I thought with winter coming up, I could probably use another one, and since the last one I had is canvas, I really thought this black one was super cute. Let's take all the packaging off of it. So this is what it looks like. It has black straps, it's faux leather at the top, a black like little canvasy material at the bottom. It has two zippers and a really nice clasp. So let me set this up here. So this is what the inside is gonna look like. So it's not a huge, like, full-size book bag, but this is really, I think they're really convenient when you're going places to just toss everything in here, and then when you're at the store looking at stuff, you have both of your hands free, and you can use your phone, etc., especially now with COVID. I don't really like having my purse where it can touch other things. So I thought a little backpack was super, a really good choice for me. Like I said, I have a lot of hair products and beauty products. I don't really need a ton of those. So yeah, I picked out a book bag this time. So let's see what the second item is. The second item is Gloss Cosmetics Hair Removal Device. So here is that. So it says this device will instantly and painlessly sweep away unwanted hair from any area on your body. So it includes one hair removal device, one AA battery, one cleaning brush, and one instructions manual. So that'll be good to definitely test out. This may not be something that I would go out and purchase my own, but with the subscription, why not try it? so the third item I got is Glow Milk, and it's from the Beauty Crop. So here's what that looks like. It looks like it comes in a little like dairy milk container. That's really cute. So let's see. Glow Milk is liquid radiance in a bottle. Create a long-lasting lit from within look with our champagne colored liquid highlighter. So I have noticed recently I have gotten a few different highlighter products in some of my boxes, but this is something I've never tried before, so that'll be fun to use and just see how that works. Okay, so we're on to the fourth item. The fourth item is, it says Mason Tops Mason Jar Hydration Kit. So this looks like, it says multifunctional drink lid. So it definitely looks like just some type of like water bottle. So here is that. Again, I don't really mind getting this because I do, like I said, I have a lot of beauty products building up right now just because I'm working from home, so I'm not using them as frequently as I would before. So yeah, I'll give this a test and maybe we can open that later in the video. So this is the fifth item. So it says Spongel Sweet Cedar Wood Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. So it says multi-use. Body wash buffer, dermatologist tested, cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. Okay. We have a couple more items in here. The next item is Daniel Stone Perfume Pumpkin Spice Room Spray. So here's that up close. So it says Daniel Stone's Pumpkin Spice Room Spray is delectable holiday scent inspired by the warmth and nostalgia of fall festivities. So that's interesting. I've never gotten a room spray in one of my boxes before, so I definitely have to test that out and let you guys know what that smells like. We are down to the last two items. So we have NCLA Los Angeles Treatments So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. I do my nails a lot and my nails are like pretty terrible right now. I'm attempting to get off dip polish right now, so if you notice my nails and they're terrible, that's why. So this will be definitely good to use and test out. I did have a bottle of cuticle oil and I actually just spilt it. Kind of got over all of my other nail polishes, so now I have a replacement, and yeah, so here's that. I'll show you a little bit up close. And the last but not least item, let's see what this is. Blue light blocking, oh, okay. These are blue light glasses. So I do work on a computer all day for my full-time job, and I feel like it's really trendy now to get the blue light glasses. I have really good vision and I don't really want that to get bad, so I'm lucky enough to have 20/20 vision right now, so I thought I would get these. These also were an item that you could pick. So here they are. They came in like a little duster case. Let's see if that'll focus for you. They are kind of like this tortoise shell material. And again, they're for blue light, so it's supposed to help you when you work on computers all day, not get headaches. I'm not exactly sure what all they do, but I'll definitely test these out for you guys and see. So that's everything I got in my FabFitFun box. Let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 items this time. So 8 items for about $50. I think it's a really good value. Some of the items I've gotten in the past, I've actually went back to the store to just see what the prices were in real life at Sephora. And one of the face creams I got one time was actually $50 at Sephora. So that one item was literally worth the whole price of the box. So I think FabFitFun is a really good deal. You definitely have to be flexible and want to try new items. And again, sometimes I don't use through the items as fast as I actually get them. But yeah, I really love my FabFitFun box and it's been great so far. So let's dig into a few of the items and look at what they look like up close. So the first item I'm gonna open for you is the Mason Tops Hydration Bottle. One thing to note, it does say it's hand washed with soap and water, so you can't put this in a dishwasher.
It's important to note that the top of this water bottle is plastic. It has a little flip lid and screws onto the main part of the bottle. However, the main part of the bottle is glass. So off screen here, I did pull the little koozie off of it to show you guys what it looks like without the koozie on. In total, this bottle holds 2 cups of water, so it has plenty of room inside it and seems to be some pretty good quality. So the next item I have is the Spongel Sweet Cedarwood Body Wash Infused Buffer. So it comes in this really cute little flower shaped. It's very fragrant. You can definitely smell the cedarwood and other warm tones, but I think it smells really good. It's really soft and pretty squishy, so I'm really excited to use this and see how it works. The next item is the Glow Milk in shade Blind Date. This one is vegan, and this product along with the last product are both cruelty-free. I think it's important to note that when I finally got the bottle out of the package, I noticed that it didn't have a scent, which I think is really great for people who may have allergies and not like very fragrant products. The shade Blind Date probably is a little bit too dark for my skin. I'm pretty fair, so I may not be able to actually use this product till next summer. But as you see here, as I'm putting it on my hand, it has coconut oil in it, and the application went on really smooth. It was really kind of buttery, soft feeling. However, it dried really nice. It didn't stay really moist like that. It had a really nice kind of like flat finish when it dried while still keeping its luster. The next item again is this Glossmetics hair removal device. So it says the device will instantly and painlessly sweep away unwanted hair from any area of your body. Its discreet and portable design will allow you to carry it with you anywhere. So I think that's really nice. I definitely tested this out. It says no burns or irritation, just perfectly smooth skin. So here it is out of the box. It's gold and white. It came with a battery and a little brush and some instructions. I can say it was painless. Essentially what it's just doing is shaving off your hair at the surface. So it definitely didn't hurt. But yeah, just a nice little shaver I guess to have, especially if you're traveling. So the room spray is the next item I'm going to show you. It's by Daniel Stone Perfume in Pumpkin Spice, and it's 5 full ounces. I did spray this, and it is very fragrant. The smell is really great. The directions say to use liberally, spray as much as desired to enhance your environment and ambiance. It is more, I would say, almost of a cinnamon scent versus pumpkin spice, but I think it'll be great for the holiday. I'm really excited to try the glasses out while working. They're really lightweight, and I'll get back to you on how they work. And last but not least, other than the black backpack, is the NCLA Cuticle Nail Treatment. So again, I'm going to put this on my hand here just to understand what the texture was like, but it was really soft and smooth. So I'm really excited to put this on my nails. As I told you guys earlier, my nails really need this right now, so I'll definitely get back to you on how it works out. So here's one last close-up of everything that I got in my box for fall. There's some really exciting products here that I'm super excited to try, and I think it's a really fun box to get. There's a lot of products here that I probably wouldn't be trying if it wasn't for the FabFitFun box. So if you like trying new products, I would definitely suggest giving FabFitFun a go.
Okay guys, so that's everything for my FabFitFun unboxing haul for today. So if you like this video, we'd really love it if you subscribe to our channel down below, and make sure you leave us a comment. We really love reading everyone's comments and just seeing everyone's opinions on all the products that we unbox. We do a lot of haul videos as well as Disney videos and some cooking videos. So again, we'd really love it if you subscribe to our channel if you're new here. And yeah, that's everything for today. I hope you have a great start to your fall. Thanks, bye.